Ethereum is rejecting a key resistance level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Ethereum analysis. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. As you guys can see on Ethereum, we had a very bullish move set upwards. I mentioned in the previous video that as long as we can hold above this 1278 level, we would be short-term bullish on Ethereum. We saw a massive fake out hitting all the way down to the 1180 level and then a quick pump right back up. I mentioned that if we do break this 1278 level, we need to get some candle closes below. You can see that we hit the candle close below, but we wicked right back up and continued pushing forward. That was a possibility from looking at the previous zones here. You can see that we did get that candle close right here. And I mentioned that it's very important for Ethereum not to create something like this for the bearish perspective if we get a candle close and a wick right back into the resistance. And that's exactly what happened. Now we are trading above that 1278 level and above the exponential moving averages, but we are starting to see rejection patterns over here at 1331. Ideally, for us to get above this 1331 and find support would become extremely bullish for Ethereum, but this could be the end for this massive move to the upside, and we could possibly be looking at another fake out back down. It's going to be very important for us to try to stay above these exponential moving averages, and worst case scenario, try to stay above that 1278. But as you guys know, the weekend is starting tomorrow, so there is going to be quite a bit of manipulation for us. Ideally, anything above this level would be looking for a very bullish move set, and you can see over on the RSI, we were extremely oversold, right? That's a good idea to go for a long position, obviously not just based off the fact that we were on the RSI, but the fact that we had this massive move to the downside, we could have seen a fake out on the lower time frames, which I'll show you guys in a second, and you can see exactly how it played out. Now, of course, on the 1 hour time frame, this is exactly how it played, right? You can see that we broke that support level at 1278. We saw the rejection pattern right over here, but we didn't see the waterfall downwards like we saw over on Cardano, right? We pretty much saw this rejection. We started to see some sort of support, and this candlestick was a confirmation right back into the exponential moving average that short term we might be looking for another move to the upside. Now, that's what it looks like happened right now. We can see we had multiple green candles right into that resistance level, found it as support, saw another candlestick right back into that resistance, and now we are trading very close to that resistance level. Usually when that happens, you tend to see a very large move to the upside. When you're hitting resistance that many times, it does become weaker. You guys already know that. So we have to be careful about entering any shorting positions here. Ideally, anything trading in this exponential moving average, the 9 and the 20, usually is a good sign of support. And I've mentioned this to you guys on the 4 hour before too. As long as you stay above these exponential moving averages, short term, it can just be a ladder case up, right? You can see that from the previous analysis that right here, you can see what I'm talking about. If I were to go right around here, this level, you can see that as long as you stay above these exponential moving averages, the moves get quite large going the upside, right? The minute you break the exponential, so right over here, you can see we saw the break of the exponential moving averages and then started trading and using them as resistance. That's pretty much only a shorting opportunity. The only time you would go long is once you trade above those exponential moving averages, so it's a good indicator to use and kind of get an idea of what to do. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.